Hello, everybody, and welcome to Math 100, Liberal Arts Mathematics. Before I introduce you to this course and the other introductory videos, I wanted to tell you a secret of how to successfully complete this course, all right? And it really has to do with time management and your syllabus. So let me share a syllabus, and then I'll explain something very important with you. Okay, so here is your syllabus. Okay, so here's your section, section 57825 that runs for the 8 weeks, the last half of fall semester 2021. And of course, in this, your home page for this course, you have different links here, and you will be spending most of your time with the modules, right? So you click on modules and you will see about 14 modules. And I have another video where I explain how to complete each section and so on. And so I will not refer to that right now. But if you look at the syllabus, you know, there are several places where you can look at the syllabus. Now, if you click on this syllabus here, or actually, let me just show you this. If you go back to the course home page, there's a syllabus link. Okay, that is the same link as this syllabus. And when you click on that, you will see the default syllabus style for Canvas. And so you'll have this information, the instructor, the textbook, my test policy, the grading policy, resources on campus, which you should take advantage of, and then your homework exercises. And then what the Canvas syllabus does is to summarize all the deadlines. Okay, so these are the days when your assignments are due, and you may be surprised to see this. Okay, if you are one of those students who just wake up, let's say on November 9th, and say, I wonder what's due, you may panic, because here on that one day you have quiz 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, and to do each quiz, you are asked to watch a video or a couple of videos for that section, take notes, answer some questions first on a piece of paper, and then to go online to answer those same questions. And that's what quiz 3.1 is, right? And you have to do all 4 sections. And you say, well, I can't do it. I don't have time to do this. And you're right. You will not have time to do all 4 of these on the due date. Okay, and so let me show you what I am going to do to help you. All right, so this is the, like I said, this is the Canvas default style syllabus, and I don't want you to really use this. Okay, this shows up just because it's Canvas, but if you have to go back to the modules, there's something much more helpful. All right, if you go to the first module, which is welcome, the welcome module, you will see that I have the syllabus specifically for this section. And so if you click on that, it'll take you to this PDF file. Now, this is the 6-page syllabus, which I would give to all of you if we are meeting in person in the classroom. Okay, and you know how it is, right? You walk into the first day in the classroom, your instructor hands you the syllabus for the course, which is your academic contract. All right, and so this is what I really want you to focus on. And the same information appears in the first 5 pages, okay, or first 4 pages. The 5th page is this thing, which gives you the list of all the deadlines along with your progress schedule. Right now, I want you to pay close attention to this page and the next page. Right, page 5 of the syllabus tells you all your deadlines. But also on the right-hand side, this is really important, this will tell you what you should be doing for each given week. For instance, on the first week, yes, you do have activity 1 that's due, okay, and you may be dropped for not doing this in time, but then you also are to complete sections 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. What does it mean to complete a section? You watch the videos assigned, take notes as you do so, you try to answer questions on the notes and on the quiz that you print. I mean, on the on the note package that you print out, and then you go online to answer those same questions. That's your online quizzes for that section. You do your homework. You check your homework answers. So that's what you do for each section. All right, now, and of course, because this is a shortened class, you're supposed to do within the next 8 weeks, what normally takes 16 weeks. So you have to work twice as fast. I hope you understand that. Time commitment is very, very important, okay? And so in order to help you keep up with this course, I have created this last page, page 6 of the syllabus, which is the recommended schedule, all right? Think of this as your weekly guide to meet all the deadlines. Okay, so for instance, this first week, you are to do these things, activity 1, and then sections 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5, all right? If you do this, okay, part of completing the section is to do that online quiz with immediate feedback, okay? A part of completing the section is also to do the homework assigned for that section. So if you keep up with this, okay, you don't really have to worry about all the deadlines because, I mean, the deadline for quizzes for 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 is Tuesday the 26th. But you wouldn't have to worry about them because as you do these, you will have finished your quizzes, okay? And then I am giving you several days, extra days, to complete all the homework for section chapter 1. So you see, chapter 1 should be completed on the first week. But in order for you to, do your homework, and maybe you may get behind, I'm giving you an extra days. So homework 1 or chapter 1 homework is not due until the end of the second week. However, you don't have to wait until this day to turn your homework in, right? As you do these problems or these sections here, and once you are finished with chapter 1, you can go ahead and turn in your assignment for chapter 1 way in advance of this deadline. Okay, so again, try not to go by the deadlines. I know some people procrastinate and then wait until the last minute. But if you do that, it's going to be very easy for you to get behind. So if I were you, I would print out this page 6 of your syllabus, the PDF file of your syllabus, maybe put this on the wall so you know exactly what to do every week. Now I have, written down some suggestions here for the second week. For instance, you are to do one section every day. Now you don't have to do that as long as you do these 4 sections during the second week, okay? And every week you will have between 4 and 6 sections to complete, okay? And this is what it takes to do the semester-long course in 8 weeks. If you keep up with this recommended schedule, you'll be okay. And you'll have a very good chance of successfully completing the course. On the other hand, if you get behind, let's say like 3-4 days or a week, then it'll be very, very difficult for you to catch up, right? So for instance, this is your 4th week. You have a Veterans Day holiday. You are to do 6 sections, all right? And, again, each section will probably take you about an hour, and so this is a lot of time commitment, but that's what is required for you to complete this class in 8 weeks. So make sure you pay close attention to this weekly guide, the page 6 of the syllabus. All right. Now, for more details on how to do one section or how to prepare for your test and how the Canvas modules are structured, I have another video. So make sure you watch the introductory videos. And if you have any questions at any time, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay. And I hope you'll have a great semester and have a wonderful day. And I will be seeing you throughout the semester. Take care. Bye.